All right, guys, this week we're going to do more practice with the one variable statistics. All right, now these are multiple choice questions, and they tend to ask you to compare the one variable stats for two different sets of data. Like this one's doing semester one versus semester two. This other one, question two, is comparing team A to team B. All right, when you see things like mean, median, quartiles, standard deviation, that's your one variable stats, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the choices before I even decide. So this one's talking about interquartile range, so I know what I'm looking for. It's talking about median, and another choice is talking about mean. So I need all of these things, and I want to make sure I get and third quartile for this one before I delete the input I put for semester one. I want to make sure I get all these things before I input semester two. Otherwise, you're going to do work twice, right? So I'm going to put in the data for semester one. I'm going to go stat, I'm going to go edit, and I'm going to put these numbers in. So I'm going to go up, hit clear. Now I'm going to enter all this in. These are region style questions, all right? All right, so there were 5 numbers. And again, when I do this, I want to do it only once. So I got to make sure I get all the information I need. So I'm going to go stat over to calculate one variable stats. Right? And I need the interquartile range, which means I need the first quartile. All right? It means I need the third quartile. The other choice talks about the median, so I need the median. And then the third choice talks about the mean, so that's the X with the line over it. And the last choice talks about the third quartile. So the mean for this one was 86.8. So I'm going to write all this stuff down because then I'm going to do it for the second set of data, and then I'm going to compare. All right, quartile 1, if I scroll down, was 80.5. And then quartile 3, if you scroll down, was 92.5. And my median was 88. All right? And my interquartile range, which was what choice 1 was talking about, is the third quartile minus the first quartile. So 92.5 minus 80.5 is 12. All right? I got all the information they're talking about. So now I'm going to go ahead and input the data for semester 2. So I'm going to go stat, edit, and now I'm going to put these numbers in. 91, 96, okay, 80, 77, 88, 85, and 92. All right? I'm going to go stat, calculate, one variable stats again, and then I'm going to write down on this side all of those things I wrote down there. All right? So, all right, I needed the median, and I needed the mean or the average, right? So I'm going to write this down. The mean was 87, according to my calculator, okay? The first quartile was 80. The third quartile was 92. The median is 88. So the only thing I have to calculate is the interquartile range, which is the third quartile, subtract the first quartile. So 92 minus 80 is 12. All right? So now I'm going to go through the choices. Choice 1 says, the interquartile range for semester 1 is greater than for semester 2. Well, I found out those are the same, right? They were both 12. See that? That's out. The median score for semester 1 is greater than the median score for semester 2. The median for the first one was 88. For the second one, also 88. So if it's the same, it's not greater. So that's out. The mean for semester 2, which was 87, is greater than the mean for semester 1. which was 86.8. It's not a lot bigger, but it's greater. So that looks like that's going to be the answer, choice 3. All right, I'm just going to double check. For the third quartile for semester 2 is greater than the third quartile for semester 1. Third quartile is 92.5. Oh, I'm sorry. For semester 2 is greater. Semester 2 is 92. Semester 1, 92.5. It's not greater. So it is choice 3. All right? I'm going to have you try the rest of these questions. They're all similar, and you can see it takes some time. All right, and I'm going to post the answers. All right, so this is meant to be for 2 days. So I'm going to post half the answers today, and the second half I'm going to post on Tuesday, and then we're going to have a little quiz at the end of the week. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.